This video is to help you guys finish your Wordle assignment. So right here in Google Classroom, you're going to see your Wordle About You assignment. What you guys basically need to do is you need to click on the Wordle About Me document, and you're going to see a bunch of my stuff. Now, this is how I set up my Wordle. These are all words that explain a little bit about myself. So what you guys need to do is you need to actually delete some of these. So to start deleting stuff, you click before the first word, and you hold down your mouse and you drag, and then you select all these different words by doing that, and then you hit backspace on your computer and you delete them all. Okay, so this is a good way to kind of practice selecting different forms of text. Alright, so we're gonna go through here, we're gonna delete all my Tom Brady's, and I'm gonna delete all this stuff. Now if you realize after deleting all of this stuff, oh, I wish I had a few of those Tom Brady's, well, there's a good shortcut that we have that's called Control C. So if you hit Control Z, which is undo. The other way that you can undo stuff is if you just hit undo right here, or you could redo something. So if I hit redo, it would go away. If I hit undo, it comes back. Okay? So now you guys got to add a bunch of words that relate to you. Now I'm just going to go back because in my example I've already made my own words, so I'm just going to hit undo a bunch of times and bring my words back. Alright, so once you guys have all of your 15 words in here, you guys are going to want to do like I did right here where I copy and pasted them a bunch. So if you have something that kind of looks like this, you should have a bunch of words just individually like this. Now you need to copy and paste them. So something I'm really into is 3D printing. So if I highlight it and if I hit Control then C for copy, and then if I click off of it and hit enter and then hit Control V, it'll do 3D printing again. If I hit enter again, Control V, and I can hit it a bunch of times. Alright? I could do the same thing with Star Wars. I could do the same thing with these other words too. Alright? So after you guys get your 15 words, I want you to copy and paste a bunch of them. Alright? I'm going to go back and just fill this up. Okay. Once you have your whole sheet filled with words, and you have 15 words, you should actually have more than I have here. I don't have 15. Then you guys need to go to the next part of the assignment, which is clicking and pasting your stuff into your word cloud. So what you need to do is you need to highlight all your words just like you did in the very beginning. So I'm going to highlight all these words, and you actually should just do it 3 different times. So, you know, highlight this entire column, copy it, and come to your word cloud over here. And once it loads, you should be able to paste it in, which it's going to load very soon, I hope. All right, here we go. And once it finishes loading, you click on here, click on start, and you can paste it right in. All right, you can go back, and I can click right before that word, hold down, copy all these, go back to my word cloud, paste it, go up here, and have all these Tom Brady's. I'm going to paste it. Now, if you go over like this, that's fine. Notice too, I put this little tilde in here. That allows you to keep words together. Okay, so Raspberry Pi, I put the tilde in. That'll keep Raspberry Pi all as one word. Once you finish, you hit create, and it'll make a cool word cloud for you. Now, what I want is I want you guys to make them all in black and white so we don't kill all of our ink supply. If you guys want to change your font or something, you can do that. Actually, I really like this font. This one's one of my favorites. Alright, just make sure you have black and white on a white background. Now I'm ready to print, so here's what you need to do to print. You click on menu, you go to print, and it's going to bring up this screen. Now the first thing you always do is you need to change your printer to make sure you find the right printer that you need. In the computer lab, our printer is NMS 20901. So you can see right here, it says NMS 20901, and that's our black and white printer. Once you click on that, you can click on print, and within a few seconds, you should hear that printer start printing. Once you finish that, then you can go in to your assignment and turn it in, and then move on to the next thing. All right, good luck, guys.